Let's play ball.
Look at the pretty face. All these lollipops belong to me.
Oh, now let me see here. What will be today's lesson? No, not this one. Or this one. The natural world. We've been having class inside for the entire semester. It's about time to give the kids an outdoor class. So let us now begin our study of the nature. Pony Brett, Lou, and Truffles, get up quickly. Now let us begin our class by reciting our recently learned poem. Brett.
Right. Oh, where did the sun go?
Lulu.
I want to see a rainbow.
Truffles.
Well, I can't remember.
Okay. This is the very best season of the year, so I shall introduce to you its beauty of the natural world.
The natural world?
That's right. So today, our little outing will be called the I Love Nature Field Trip.
Oh boy, it's nature! Yeah!
Soon I will be pointing out many different examples of natural beauty. So please pay close attention.
Hey, what's that thing over there?
Oh, this is a specially made piece of equipment for our outdoor class. A pedal-powered fan.
A fan?
That's right. The first thing we shall study today is wind power. Whoa. And I will use this contraption here to recreate the different kinds of wind we see in nature.
Wow. Say, why not make a big typhoon now?
Oh, well, to remain safe, we'll just leave that for next time. Yes, that is fine. Now I shall produce for you a high wind.
That's me.
Look here, children. Oh. What you are seeing is the process of a light breeze turning into a strong gale.
Wow, that's super! Yeah!
You think so?
Yeah, it even blew all the leaves off.
Oh, I didn't expect them to be so excited about an outdoor class.
Oh yeah, so how about making a typhoon now, okay?
Typhoon? I'm afraid not. However, I will now generate the strongest wind possible. Observe.
Wow!
Say, Mr.
Mr.
Mr. Anderson, look!
Oh, that was close. Oh, well, moving on now, children. Well, winds seem to be dangerous, so we shall do thunder and lightning. Prepare to be swept away by a veritable symphony of natural music. The drums represent the thunder.
So is that it then?
Patience, my child. What are you doing? Oh! No, no, I am one of you! I am one of you!
Oh, my. Ooh.
And now we will take a look at another natural marvel, snow. Oh, it's snowing! It's really snowing!
Wow! Cool snowflakes!
Here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Oh.
Artisan!
Oh, I thought I heard my name being called. Oh, but no. More snow, more snow. Oh, 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 oh.
Artisan! Did you drop this litter?
Oh, litter? I can explain.
Just pay the fine, mister!
The fine?
Artisan, you seriously tarnished Zodiac Way's image! Now, pay the fine!
Oh, are you joking?
We don't joke about litter, and especially around our impressionable youth, Artisan. Now pay the fine, man.
Oh, all right. Here.
Thank you. Now, let's go, Trapper.
Yeah.
Oh, power mongers. Anyway, we will conclude today's class with a rainbow.
Well, that's not the rainbow I want.
It doesn't look like a rainbow to me.
I painted the rainbow myself, but perhaps you have not seen one before. That would explain your doubts.
So, Mr. Artisan, can you tell us about rainbows?
A rainbow is shaped like a horseshoe and contains all the colors. When the sun shines onto droplets of moisture in the air, you get a rainbow.
Wow, you don't see that every day.
Well, I think our teacher's one smart guy.
That is so true. There's nothing I don't know and less I cannot do.
Mr. Artisan, I want to see a real rainbow.
Oh, well.
But teacher, I thought you said you could do anything.
Oh, correct. And so you have seen a rainbow. Next.
It's not real.
Oh, truffles! Have I taught you nothing of imagination? Oh?
It's raining! It's raining! Let's go!
Let's get under the banyan tree.
Right.
Oh, my painting!
Wow, I'm tired.
I'm hungry. I want to food.
Oh, but we have learned about many things today, children, like rainbows.
There is no rainbow. You're just fooling.
Oh? Oh, don't cry. We will go home once the rain stops. The rain, she stops. Oh, she finally stops. Let's go home. We'll discuss rainbows next time.
You're just a big fibber.
Oh, I will show you a rainbow one day, children. Even I haven't seen one.
It's wicked.
Oh. Oh. Children, to see a rainbow, one must endure the rain. Oh, it's truly breathtaking.
It's so pretty.
Hey, it does look like a horseshoe.
It looks delicious. Oh, truffles.
像你这样的大师喝酒一定很厉害，慢慢饮上一大口，才有到海。像你这样的大师手法一定很厉害，横撇竖捺勾点头，统统都自在。一点猪朋狗友留在这里守株待兔，扬长啸。对牛弹琴一不小心打上金车，两人开始龙争虎斗，杀了机器人了后，杀了暴怒鼠，常快马加鞭，为了这。像你这样的大师喝酒一定很厉害。